Hey everybody, it's Amanda from the Hides Do Disney. What have I done? So welcome back to the channel. I apparently now am really an unboxing channel because I have 3 boxes and they're all Disney, I think. I'm not really sure. I know one of them is definitely my Pop in the Box subscription. So that one we're gonna open up first because I actually know that that's what that is. The other 2 boxes, one is from Shop Disney and one is from Hot Topic. And I know that I ordered things from both of those places, but I have no idea what's coming in those boxes. So let's just open everything up. So this is my 3rd month with Pop in a Box. I really enjoyed having the subscription because it's not super expensive. It's fun to open something up once a month and have no idea what it is. So, whoa. And I like how I did it last time where I showed you guys what I got in the box and then looked them myself. So let's do that again. Do it like this so that you guys can see maybe what's inside. Okay, last time I think I went with left first, so this time I'm gonna go with right first. So let's go with the right one. And it is, oh yeah! He is so cool. It is Prince Ali, Fabulous He, Alibaba, and he's so cool. Let's open it. Focus, Prince Ali, Fabulous He, Alibaba. There he is. Look at how cool he is. I love him. Yeah. Love this one. All right, and pop number 2 is, oh, my childhood. Opening this one right up. Opening her right up. It is Patty Mayonnaise from Doug, and I have been eyeing her for a long time. She is so cute. She's a little small. Like, I don't, maybe it's just me, but she looks small, and she's very lightweight compared to the other ones that I have. But I love her. I need to go and rewatch Doug now because it's been a long time and Patty's just so cute. Oh, I just love her. And she also came with a base. Right on. Even though, as you guys can kind of see, I put them all in boxes until we can kind of figure out the wall situation. So I will put these back up on the wall there. 2 completely different fandoms that I'm in, both 90s, and both amazing. So let's go to the other boxes and see what's inside of those. Okay, we're gonna start with the big Shop Disney box because I think I know what's in this. I ordered 4 things off of Shop Disney and it said that 2 of them were on the way. And of course, I bought these 4 items. And then a week later, they were like, oh, your annual pass holder discount, you can use it online. And I was not happy about that. But it's okay, like, it is what it is. But now I'm like, wow, I could have saved a lot of money. And two or 3 of the 4 items that I got are like a limited edition or like a park exclusive. So I don't want to return it just in case I can't actually buy it again. So yeah, it's just a pain. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, yeah, that's right. That's what I bought. Okay, so I've got 2 items in this big giant box. What a waste. So I placed my order, I had put everything in my cart and it came to like $67 or something like that. And if I was at $75, I would have had free shipping. But if I was at where I was at, I was gonna pay the same amount in shipping as I was if I had just bought something for like another $7 or $8. So I found a shirt for Josiah on clearance, and so I got a free shirt out of it instead of having to pay shipping. It's a Spider-Man shirt. He's obsessed with Spider-Man all of a sudden. I don't know why. It's probably just like a little 3-year-old boy thing. But he's gonna be wicked excited to get this. But the other item is for me. I saw on my friend Mel's channel, and I will link her channel down below, that this was coming out and I had to get it. It is on the backer card, but I'm gonna take it off of the backer card because it does have a moving element to it. This is my new favorite pin. It is indeed a moving pin with Ursula. And you can't really read it, but it has like her incantation around the outside. I saw this, I knew I needed it because The Little Mermaid is my favorite. Ursula is my favorite, you guys know that. And then just so that you can see on the back here, so you should be able to see there on the bottom, it is a limited edition of 3,000, which is one of the reasons why I didn't want to return this stuff just to rebuy it with the discount, because it is limited edition and I don't know how long it'll be available. So I'm obsessed with this. I love it. I think she is a beauty. The only downside is with the pin backers on. It doesn't really matter because of how I store my pins on boards anyway, but you can't spin this around with the pin backers on. But you can't really spin anything around if you've got it on a lanyard anyway. Okay, so that was my Shop at Disney one. This one's from Hot Topic. It has Mike's name on it, but we ordered a bunch of stuff back in July, and so I'm thinking that this is some of the pre-orders that I got. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's one of our pre-orders. Okay, so we've got another box in a box thing going on here. But yeah! Oh, she is gorgeous. This is part of the Haunted Mansion set that just got released, obviously, since we pre-ordered it. And this is the maid. I'm gonna leave her in her box for now. I'm not gonna open her up quite yet. But I love that she has like the full like Haunted Mansion costume on. I adore her too. I don't know if she's an exclusive to Hot Topic. I will put that in the description down below, or a little pop-up here if she is. But I'm pretty sure we ordered the other two in the collection and they should be here soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you subscribe. And if you'd like to ring that notification bell so that you get notified when we put out new videos, which typically is every Monday and Thursday at 7 a.m. Eastern time. But sometimes those videos go out a little bit later, or we have bonus videos or giveaways that aren't exactly on that pattern. So you definitely want to make sure that you are notified when we put out new videos. But I guess with that being said, we will see you on Mondays for Disney videos and Thursday for cooking videos. Bye.